At a recent press briefing at the National Center for Educational Resource Development, NSERD, at Kingston, Georgetown, it was announced that secondary schools would be allowed to reopen for face-to-face classes based on the vaccination rollout. Then, Minister of Education Priya Manik-Chan related that the Health Ministry was uncomfortable reopening secondary schools without rolling out the children's vaccination campaign. Currently, the US-made Pfizer COVID-19 vaccines are being administered at various secondary schools to children between the ages of 12 and 18, a majority of whom are in secondary schools. And on Friday, during his daily COVID-19 update, the Health Minister Dr. Frank Anthony explained that the reopening of secondary schools would be done when children are vaccinated.
Our intention really is as we go to the different schools. So let's say we go to school A, we are encouraging all the children from that school to come out so that we can immunize as many children as possible from that school. Once they're fully immunized, they can start opening that school.
He also emphasized that these vaccines are important to help children, as efforts are being made to get them back into schools.
We want to vaccinate children so that they can return to school safely. So this is the first dose 21 days after you'll be getting their second dose. And about a week thereafter, you should be fully immunized, and which means that you'll be protected and you can get back to school. So we can open schools with fully vaccinated children so that even if they get infected, they would be able to have this level of protection because of the vaccine.
The new academic year commences on September 6 and schools will reopen for face-to-face classes. Some nursery and primary schools will reopen for full face-to-face classes while others will operate on a rotational basis. Each school has an individualized plan for reopening that is available on the Ministry of Education's website. Already, though, some 6,020 children in schools across Guyana have received their first dose of the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccines. After they receive their second dose, some 21 days after taking the first dose, they will be considered fully immunized. Meanwhile, the health minister said that those children who missed the vaccination activities held at their schools on specific days can go to other schools within their vicinity and get the vaccines. Reporting for the newsroom, I am Vishani Raghuir.